Hello, in front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Hama Fit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the Hama Fit Pro application on your phone. In the app, you should see the home page, this page. Now tap on the device icon, then tap on the alarm clock. Here tap on add alarm, and as you can see, the alarm was added. You can tap on it to customize it. We can tap on type to change the label for it basically. Then we can tap on repeat, and here we can select the days on which the alarm is gonna be active, and you can check separate days, all of them, or one only. And then we have duration, and here we can basically set the hour on which the alarm is gonna ring. So I'm gonna set it to, for example, 6:30, and then tap the check mark to save my settings like this. And here we have our alarm. We can enable it or disable it by tapping on it and then the switch. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm and save the settings. Like that. Now when we go to our watch, wake it up, swipe left to open the menu and tap on the alarm option. We should see our alarm right here on the list. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.